Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Oliver, breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat well and take your time. Do you like your breakfast?
Yes, Dad. It is good.
I am happy you like it. Oliver, put on your shoes.
Okay, Mom.
You are doing great. Do you have your school bag?
Yes, Dad.
Everything looks ready.
I'm ready.
Have a good day at school.
Thank you, Mom.
See you later.
It is a nice day.
Yes, it is.
Enjoy your day. This is your school.
I am ready.
Do your best.
Goodbye, Mom and Dad.
Goodbye, Oliver.
We are proud of you.